My daughter loves making homemade cookies, so when we were sent this set of 3 baking pans to review, she couldn't wait to put them to test. And honestly, you can tell right away they're pretty awesome. The first thing you notice is how solid they feel. They're made from heavy-duty gauge carbon steel, so they don't feel flimsy like some baking sheets that start bending after just a few uses. They heat evenly, which helps cookies bake more consistently. The nonstick coating has been a huge plus. Cookies slide right off without sticking. And of course, cleanup is so much easier. Most of the time, just a quick rinse is all they need. They're oven safe up to 420 degrees. They're dishwasher safe, and they're designed to resist warping, dents, rust. So they should hold up really well over time. So if you enjoy baking or just want dependable baking sheets, this set is a must-have. It's wonderful. I highly recommend it.